What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Mizzy Miz, Cool Cat Con YouTube, representing the Birds, the most entertaining Eagles content creator in the game. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and comment to the Cool Cat Con channel. Also, if you support me, you support the Birds of Broad Street, if you support Cool Cat Mitch, and if you support Jalen Freakins, Cool Cat Connor merch is up right now. Go get your Cool Cat Connor merch. Click the link right here in the description and go get your Jalen Freaking Hurts merch, your Birds of Broad Street merch, your Cool Cat Connor merch, and your Cool Cat Mitch merch. Please click the link right here and go get your Cool Cat Connor merch. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the video. Never, ever doubt my general manager again. We got some fucking breaking news, y'all. Yeah, it's windy, it's crazy out here. Yeah, the Dallas Cowboys, they got Stephon Gilmore. Congratulations to y'all. We just signed James Bradberry to a 3-year deal. Don't you ever question my general manager, huh? Oh, the Dallas Cowboys. They got Stephon Gilmore, right? They got James Bradberry. He's a 3-year deal for the Birds. I love the move by my general manager, Howie Roseman. When all else doubt this man, he said, here you go. That's my general manager. That's my general manager. That's my general manager right there. Howie freaking Roseman. Yeah. James Bradberry, side by side with Slay. Side by side with Slay. Yeah. Yeah. Don't you ever question my general manager again. Some bitch. Ooh. James Bradberry for 3 years. Oh, got a tear. I got a tear in my eye. James Bradberry is a Philadelphia Eagle for life. How y'all doing? Feels good, don't it, Eagles Nation? Feels good, don't it? Don't y'all ever question my fucking general manager again. Don't you ever question my guy again. James Bradberry is staying right here in this city. My general manager, huh, boss? Boss Cowboy, huh? Jerry Howie, huh? Bah! I'm happy, y'all. I'm happy. I am a happy man. I love this right here. I love this right here. I love this right here. I love it. I love it. Let the wind blow on your boy. But I'm a happy man. James Bradberry for 3 more years. It's signed with the Bears.